I just wanted to give you an update on my bike. I went away for a few days out to Saskatchewan for my Uncle Bob's funeral, and my husband and son were pretty busy. I have a new carrier for the front. Oh, my supplies are tucked in there. It's a little bit heavy. I haven't quite figured out how to work it yet. But we also have a 2-kid trailer in the back. Yeah, baby. Look at that. The Tot Taxi. Room for 2 kids. Room for some groceries or a backpack or something. We are going to go and give this a test ride. I even have a super flag for safety. We're not going to take it out on a big street today. We're just going to do a little loop around the neighborhood and make sure that I know what I'm doing. And we'll try to keep my 2 little compadres safe. It's going to take some adjusting. I'm sure it's going to take a little bit of practice, but I'm super stoked. Woohoo! Wish us luck. The Tot Taxi Backpack Mom Mobile on our maiden voyage. Yeah. Y'all buckled up? Got your seatbelts on? Yeah. Buckle up for safety. Yeah. Helmet for safety, and we're off. You ready? All right, here we go. This is hard work. They're heavy. It's a good thing I have a whole bunch of gears to tug those big lugs back there. Hooligans uphill. Oh my goodness, I'm out of shape. Woo! Holy cow, they're excited about this. Can you tell? We're taking an ice cream break. You having a good ride? Is it good ice cream? Are you going to be covered by the time we get home? No. Yeah, I think so. Grape crush for the mama. Oh, this is a hard ride. So we're having a little refreshment break. We put the sunshade on, keep the bugs and the sun off of the girls. This is pretty nifty. It's got a little rain cover here if it gets wet. Like that in there? Is that pretty cool? Beautiful day. I'm starting to get the hang of this. You girls having fun? It's a little bit wobbly, but not too bad. But boy, is it ever a good workout. Even on this relatively flat trail, I am out of shape. It's going to take me a little bit of practice, but it'd be good for this old heart of mine to get in a bit better shape. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day.